How to withdraw money from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just open up your Trust Wallet first, as we need the address of the crypto that we want to send from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. So simply open up the Trust Wallet, then select any of the crypto and click on the option of deposit. This way you would be able to get the option of address. Just simply copy that particular address. After that, open up crypto.com, and on crypto.com you will be able to find the option of wallet at the bottom. Just simply click on it. After that, select the option of crypto wallet, then select the crypto of your choice that you want to transfer from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. Make sure that you are selecting the same crypto, and since we just copied the address on Trust Wallet, after that click on the option of transfer. Now select the option of withdraw and select the option of external wallet. Now at the top right hand side corner you will be able to see the option of plus. Click on that particular plus and add the address that we just copied from Trust Wallet. Now the address will be added, and type the amount that you want to transfer and confirm this particular transaction, and a verification code will be sent on your email. And if you have chosen the two-factor authentication, then you would have to verify that also. After verification, you will be able to transfer this particular amount from crypto.com to Trust Wallet, and in couple of minutes you will be able to see this particular balance in your Trust Wallet. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.